COVID-19 active cases in Kashi now below 1600 mark. 23 fresh COVID cases and reportedly in district 116 patient covered. Varanasi. The situation improved further in Varanasi district with the downward trend in active cases of COVID-19, which went below the mark of 1607. However, one fatality was reported in district in the last 24 hours.
Good morning, my name is Meera. Now I am going to read newspaper. No response to its global vaccine tender, UP government extended deadline. Failing to get a response from UP government, failing to response from vaccine manufacturer, the Uttar Pradesh government has once again extended the last date of manufacturing vaccine. Again extended the last date of submission of bids for its global tender for procurement of 4 crore COVID vaccine dose by another 10 days to June 10. The government has earlier extended the deadline from May 21 to May 31 and also relaxed some of the conditions for the COVID vaccines manufacture and supply.
Good morning to all of you. Now I am going to reading newspaper. Education is a life process. However, some vital skills are strong determinants of future success. The ability of fully offers its undivided attention is a crucial part of individual growth. As we know, the human brain is the most amazing thing in the universe. There are many ways to train it and hone certain way to train and skills after vital growth. The ability of focus is different for everyone. While some have excelled at most have a difficulty staying focused. According to experts, sincerely and emotional distractions frequently distract.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Ali, and I am going to read the newspaper. Address Russia's legitimate concerns. China tells US. China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi on Thursday told his US counterpart Antony Blinken that Russia's legitimate concerns needed to be addressed and amid rising tensions over Ukraine. The US Secretary of State in the phone call underscored the global security and economic risk posed by further Russian aggression against Ukraine and conveyed that de-escalation and diplomacy are the responsible way forward. The US State Department quoted him as saying,
Good morning to all of you. My name is Pradeep Sahu from Kaudiyar, Prayagraj. Now I am going to read newspaper. No cyber branch in NIC email system, says government. New Delhi, there has been no cyber branch into the email system of the government. Maintained by the National Information Center NIC, the government said on Saturday the email system too is totally safe and secure. The IT ministry said while dismissing a report claiming that data brands in organizations like Air India, Bigger Basket and Domino's had exposed email accounts as passport of NIC emails to hackers. It noted that cyber of security brands of external portals may not impact users of government email service unless they have registered using their official email addresses.
My name is Dipankar Jaiswal. Sena offers to step aside for Utpal Parikar. The Shiv Sena, which is contesting the Goa Assembly election alliance with the National Congress Party, and announced the first list of 9 candidates on Friday. Announcing the list of MP Sanjay Rawat said that while the party had nominated Salen Velnakar as its candidate for the Panji seat, the Sena would withdraw the candidate if the Utpal Parikar, son of the late Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parikar, decided to contest from the same seat which was traditionally held by the late Mr. Parikar. Thank you.
and now I am going to read newspaper. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said doctors in the state should be deployed only for clinical and medical duties and not for administrative or management tasks. Instead, management graduates should be appointed for office work, he said. Spelling out his vision at a high-level meeting on Saturday, the Chief Minister directed officials at state health and medical education departments to relieve doctors from the administrative positions so that they can take up patients here.
Gupta. Now I am going to read newspaper. Two
Indian team could be norm. Two Indian squads traveling to different places at the same time could become a norm in a mentally drained world of the bio bubbles that cricketers are forced to live in amid the COVID-19 pandemic, hinted India captain Virat Kohli on Wednesday. With biosecure environment taking toll on the player, mentally Kohli said they will be given break to recover from the and just for workload management with the current structure and the kind of structure that you are competing inside the long period of time, it is very difficult for the player to stay motivated and find the right kind of mental space. Kohli said in the pre-departure press conference, you now just confine. Thank you.
My name is Dinakshi Singh. I am reading newspaper. The West Bengal government is issued certificates of COVID-19 vaccine to the people in the age group of 18 to 44, sponsored by the state with the photograph of the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. An official said Saturday this is being done since the state government has been vaccinated directly from the manufacturing of its own resource.
Today I am reading the newspaper in front of you. My news, the news downplaying in internal threat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi internal policy are being recently criticized in including those how were the harm of our countries in key areas of foreign policies under the UPA and NDA government.
Newspaper. Following a fall in the number of active COVID positive cases, the lockdown restrictions in the Prayagraj district would be relaxed from June 1. With this, people of Sangam city would have a sigh of relief on the growing one. Long corona curfew will be eased. The order in this regard were issued by the district magistrate Bhanu Chandra Goswami on Monday following in the count of active cases in Prayagraj coming below 600. With this, the district has qualified for the relaxation as per norms set by the state government. Earlier, the relaxation were to be extended in Mayor 55 district of the state, but would now to be provided in 62 reading newspaper. Make a drop count. There are this week in the progress of the southwest monsoon, the most important feature of India's climate. Though IMD has forecast a normal monsoon this year. After two successive years of bountiful rainfall, the Rios is case of concern. A little over 50 years of India net shown areas in under rainfed farming and a large part of the irrigation area depend on groundwater in the southwest monsoon overlap with economic security. In this concept, a study last year by overlap with economic security variability over a 30-year period is a wake-up call. UP, Bihar and West Bengal are 3 or 5 states that have shown a significant decreasing trend in the southwest monsoon.
Good morning, sir. Myself is Ashish Gupta from More district, and I am studying. I am reading newspaper. Thank you. The young educator hegemonials. This is a very important topic. It was around. This is a two entrepreneur, and he was a business. Then after that, he was started this story, right? Then it was around 10:30 p.m. January 15th. Now this story families are later turned on when a Delhi policeman arrived at their house in Jalandhar and Assam. They arrested the police after confused as the officer spoke about the application card Mulli Bhai and created, appreciated by the Dasrat Manji and young of the Neeraj. We are not educated, so did not on the stand up or lot of money. But the police said that standard a lot. But the police said that Neeraj had created this app. I had no idea Neeraj had created this app. I had no idea when what the happening. Said Dasrat. After being questioned for the house and the house, Neeraj was.
What about the government procurement? This year the government is the wheat purchase has seen a dip down the several reasons from lower yield of the higher market prices. Being offered by the private traders, a large quantity of wheat was being bought to traders higher rather than minimum support prices. And private traders have been promoted to buy more wheat from the farmer at the price of wheat at the international level. In Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, and farmers are telling the traders